Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Mitsubishi Outlander. This particular model is 2011 and the engine size is 2.2 diesel. So the problem we have here is that the car is in a limp mode. So we did the investigation and we found out that the turbo boost pressure hose, which is coming out of the turbo and going into the throttle body, is leaking. So just going to show you, it's got the cracks. The cracks happen due to the wear and tear. See, so there's one crack here and the other one is just here on this side. So just gonna pull the harness out to show you the bigger crack. So basically, due to wear and tear, these pipes, they do tend to crack and start leaking. So that is the reason why we've got all this area smothered in soot. Right, so here is the replacement part. We got this one from eBay for £22. So here are the references for the part. So the part number is 1505A537. It's a like for like part with two new Jubilee clamps. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this inlet pipe, which is secured by two rivets. Right, so just going to take the pipe off in this manner. There we go. So that's the pipe out of the way. So next we're going to remove this Jubilee clamp here. We're going to use a 10mm socket and the ratchet to undo this clamp at the top. There we go. Just going to pull the pipe out from here. There we go. So that's the top side of the hose disengaged. So now we're going to go under the car to disengage the Jubilee clamp, which is connected underneath. Right, now that I'm under the car, so the next clamp we need to undo is this one here. Again, it's a 10mm socket we're going to use to remove the clamp. Alright, now that we have loosened the clamp, so we're going to go into the engine compartment from the top and we're going to pull this pipe out. Right, so now that we have loosened the clamp underneath, so you're just going to pull the pipe up. There we go. Okay, so here is the pipe. I'm just going to show you again. It's got quite a few cracks, as you can see here, and then on this side, here, so all the vacuum has been leaking from here, all the pressure. Just gonna get the new pipe out. Okay, it's a like for like part. Perfect. So just gonna slide in this side of the pipe here in this manner. Right, so now that we have pushed in the pipe at the bottom, so here are the two Jubilee clamps. We're going to slide in. There we go. So that is for the bottom mount. Just gonna push it all the way down. Just gonna slide in the Jubilee clamp for the top side of the pipe. So we're just gonna bring the pipe in here in this manner. Right, here comes the Jubilee clamp. Right, here we go. So this new Jubilee clamp has come with a salmon mill fastening bolt. Right, here we go. So that's the top side of the turbo boost pipe fully secured. So now we're gonna go under the car to secure the bottom one. Right, here we go. I'm under the car now. So just gonna secure this clamp here. Right, here we go, friends. That's that. Nicely done. Here we go, friends. That's the new turbo boost pipe nicely been replaced on this Outlander. Okay, so the top mount and the bottom mounts are fully secured. So next we're gonna fit this air inlet pipe here. So that's how the pipe gets secured into the filter box. Two rivets. One goes here and the other one here. Okay. Right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to connect this throttle body harness connector back in here. There we go. And this connector goes here. Right, here we go, friends. Job done. I hope you find my video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.